Good day everyone, I am Mark and let us learn about the Python programming. What is Python programming? But before that, let us first understand what is compiler and interpreter. Compilation translates the source program into machine code, produces a file, faster execution of the translated code. Code can be distributed as a file. The examples are the C or the C++. Interpretation translates the source program each time it runs. No intermediate file, interpreter needed for execution. Code is not distributed as is. End users need the interpreter. Examples are Python and JavaScript. What are the disadvantages and advantages? Compilation. The advantages are faster execution. Code can be run immediately after completion. End users only need the compiled file. Code is stored in programming language, allowing portability. Disadvantages: time-consuming compilation process. Separate compilation for different hardware platforms. Interpretation. Advantages are immediate code execution, and users only need the interpreter. Disadvantages: slower execution due to sharing computer power. Source code is needed for distribution. Now let's go to the introduction to Python programming. What is Python? Python is the interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language. It is created by Guido van Rossum. Python's special features. It is easy to learn, teach, use, and understand. Free, open, and multi-platform. It is easy to learn because the time needed to learn Python is shorter than for many other languages. This means that it's possible to start the actual programming faster. It's easy to teach because the teaching workload is smaller than that needed by other languages. This means that the teacher can put more emphasis on general, language-independent programming techniques, not wasting energy on exotic tricks, strange exceptions, and incomprehensible rules. It's easy to use for writing new software. It's often possible to write code faster when using Python. It's easy to understand. It's also often easier to understand someone else's code faster if it is written in Python. It's easy to obtain, install, and deploy. Python is free, open, and multi-platform. Not all languages can boast that. Overall, you can see that Python is an easy language and it's made for easy use. Python has two direct competitors with comparable properties and predispositions. These are Perl, which is a scripting language originally authored by Larry Wall; Ruby, a scripting language originally authored by Yukihiro Matsumoto. Python in action is widely used in internet services, development tools, and everyday applications. Therefore, or let's say there is three Python versions. There's the Python 2, older development stalled; Python 3, current version, ongoing evolution; and the variants Cython and Jython. Now let's talk about the Python installation. Getting Python. Linux likely has Python pre-installed, while Windows and Mac OS users can download from the link that you can see above. Installation process is check add Python 3.x to path during installation. Now, there it is. You can start learning more about Python.